Welcome back to Rusty Jeep. Today's video I was going to continue on the front floor plan, but things do change when I work on this Jeep. When I was working on the front, I cut this all out, and this torque box is good right here. I knew the body mount was gone. I was going to do like a cap over it and put a new body mount in here. But then I was looking back here and I knew I was going to do this next, in the bottom back floor pan. But that torque box is pretty toasty. You can see the torque box here. You can see a hole there. That's the torque box right there. So before I finish this all up, I think it'd be wise for me to cut all this out and make sure that I can save this part of the torque box with a patch. Because if I can't, what I'm gonna have to do is get I'm not gonna do a full torque box. I'm gonna do the one that comes up to right about here and goes all the way back. If I do that, I don't want to have this already welded down. I rather weld it all at one time. So in this video, I'm going to just do a quick short video of cutting this all out and taking a look at the torque box, see if it can be saved, and we'll be right back. Okay, give me a few moments. Rusty Jeep. Time I'm not going all the way through. I'm just going to keep on weakening the metal. You know what I'm saying? Okay.
That's it? Is that record?
No, watch this maybe. Yeah, I think that's done. As you can see, there is a lot of rust on this Rusty Jeep. All these pieces I just cut out right now, the torque box is going to be able to be saved. There's a couple pieces that are gone, but I really do think I'm going to be able to save the torque box. The idea, this is cut all the way to the body panel, and I'll show you that in a second. But the idea is going to be me basically going straight across until I get right here and go all the way to the tub and just change that one whole portion of the floor pan I have already at one time. So I'm kind of happy that I'm doing this, because now I'm going to have total access to the torque box and I can basically do that at the same time. So this went from floorboards to torque box all at the same time, and when I'm done, this side of the Jeep will be completely done. Now I want to show you something on this side real quick. Come on over. Here. Okay, right here is going to be basically, that was under of the floor right there. I drilled out some of the spot welds, but you can see that this is kind of messed up, so I'm going to make a patch here. I'm going to cut this all out, save this body line though. That's why I'm really happy. This body line will be saved. So, and then that floor is actually going to mount against that, so this will be just like stock new. But here is coming the problem right here. This, I got to cut all this out and build a piece and put that in there, and that's going to be a project in itself. But I'm going to cut this out and the floorboard at the same time, I think there's a couple spot welds, so that way when I put this ball back in, if I can't weld it, I might have to hire a welder to put it all in at one time. So this is going to take a couple more episodes, but I figure I'm going to do smaller videos and show you the progress, because this is pretty much as live as it gets. I'm probably only about 2 or 3 days off of actually me doing this, so when you see this, this might be like 2 days old, but so I figure it's kind of fun doing it and posting smaller videos and just seeing what we're doing. Come on over here real quick. This is one of the reasons why I'm doing the torque box at the same time. As you can see, I'm giving you the finger right there. So this is all gonna be solid. I have a piece already that is gonna get welded in. That'll be my cutover right there. I'm gonna actually make a little piece right here. So I figured that'll sit in here. That's actually pretty close to being done. I actually bolted it in through here and here, and it sits really nice, so I'm happy with this. So next time I see you, I will basically be cutting out the back, and this is gonna be like a short video, shorter or longer, who the fuck knows already. Well, this is just me, Rusty Jeep, saying hi, and welcome to my quarantine, and have a great day.